Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Veeva Vault CRM tutorial for beginners. Welcome to this quick beginner's tutorial on Veeva Vault CRM, the enterprise CRM solution built on the Vault platform. To get started, head to Veeva's official site and sign up if you don't already have an account. Once registered, simply log in with your username and password to access the dashboard. Veeva Vault CRM is a cloud based system designed for the life science industry, helping pharmaceutical and biotech field teams manage healthcare provider relationships, log calls, present content, and track samples in a compliant environment. After logging in, you will find core features like account and call management, where you can review recent history, prepare with AI driven insights, and document outcomes during visits. You can also use closed loop marketing to tailor presentations with selected slides, while Viva automatically tracks what you show for analytics and audit. Beyond the basics, advanced features like dashboards, reporting, and admin tools offer deeper insights and customization. Whether on desktop or mobile, Vault Sierra provides fast, compliant, and user friendly performance designed to streamline your workflow. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.